Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix all the sharing or the network sharing issues of your Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let us open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key all together in your keyboard, or you can also make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the run options. Now once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just type in cpa.cpl, and once done, please click on OK or enter. So the moment you do that, you will see that the network connections window will be coming up on your screen. So here all you need to do is just click on the Wi-Fi connection that you're connected with. So let me just connect quickly. So I am connected with a public network. So let me just take the action needed. Okay, so I am now connected. So let us go back now to the process. So in here, all we need to do is just to select for the Wi-Fi connection that we are connected with. And then once selected, please make a right click on it and then go to properties options. So once you're in the Wi-Fi properties window, all you need to do is just to go to the sharing tab. So we have here networking tab and sharing tab. So please go with the sharing tab. So here in the internet connection sharing options, all we need to do is just allow the two options here. Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, and allow other network users to control or disable the shared internet connection. So once you do that, we can now click on OK and then click on yes. So after doing that, all we need to do is to go close this one, and then we will now look for the folder or the file that you want to be shared with another network. So let us try a folder here. Let me just look for a folder, this one, and then all you need to do is just make a right click with the folder and then go with the properties option. So here, let us go with the sharing tab. You will see here the advanced sharing option, so please click on that and then just check this share this folder option and just leave the name. And after doing that, select everyone, permissions. Let us now go to the permissions, and here we need to select everyone and choose for the permissions that we want to allow. For example, full control, change, or read. And after allowing the permissions, you can now click apply and then click on OK, and then click again apply and then click on OK, and we can now close this window, so as well as this one. So the next thing we need to do is to enable a few services, and we can do that by opening again the run windows. So again, press Windows R key all together, and in here in the run window we need to type services.msc and then click on enter or OK. So the moment you do that, you will see the services window coming up, and in here we need to look for four services. So first, let's go to the S section. Let us select one service and then type in the keyboard S, and we will be brought to the S section here. So now we need to look for SSDP discovery, and once found, please make a right click on it and then go to properties options. So in here we have to set the startup type automatic. So if this is not set to automatic, all we need to do is just click this drop down button here and then go choose automatic, And now once done, please click on apply and then click on OK. After doing that, we will now look for the second services, which is the UPnP. So this is now selected. So let's now press in our keyboard U, and we will be brought to the U section. So here we need to look for UPnP device host. Now once found, please make a right click again. With the same process, let's do the same process in this service. So again, for the startup type, please click on this drop down button and then set it to automatic. Now once done, click apply and then click on OK. Now for the next one is the function discovery. So let's type F and then we will look for function discovery resource publication, this one, and then make a right click on it and then go again with properties. And still in the startup type, let's make this automatic and then click apply and then click on OK. And the last one is to go to the function discovery, this one that's above function discovery resource. So this one is function discovery provider host. So please make a right click on it and then click on properties. And then for the startup type, choose again automatic option. Now once you do that, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing this process, you can now make a quick restart with your device. And after the restart, go with your file explorer, and in the network option you will see all the folders, all the files that you have shared with the network. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.